Just bounce to this.
Ole tuna kan hmuh lai mek hi Redmi Note 7 Pro ani a box chung a hian handset a awma a handset hnuai a hianin phone cover hi ron chhawma hei a phone cover a pawh hi silicon cover ani a thang reng hle mai a tin cover chung a hian ejector tool a awma hemi hnuai a hian charger a ron awm leh bawk a charger hi type C ani a hi cable ani a adapter a hi fast charge 4.0 ani a charge pawh hi chak ang reng hle mai a in du fan ni chuanin siang khat sanga zanga in phone indoor a hian lei turin a awma ona tunah chuan ai chiang zokin han pi chiang do nila a RAM a hi 6GB RAM ani a ROM a hi 128GB ani 256GB thlengin a expand theya a display size a hi 6.3 inches ani a 16.0cm ani a resolution a hi 2340 into 1080 pixel ani a resolution type hi full HD plus ani a GPU hi Adreno 612 ani a display type a hi IPS ani a notch a hi dot notch display ani a screen hi Corning Gorilla Glass 5 manga thuam ani a nu lampo hi an thuam tel ve ani an thuam thakho mai a hnuai lam a hian speaker grills a awma a dot le a hian charging port hi type C ani a tin pia hian microphone ani a chung lam a hian primary mic a awma audio jack hi 3.5mm ani a IR blaster a awma hi IR blaster hi remote TV atanga ka han control atinga sensor kha ani a tin dinglam a hianin volume button le power button a awma available hian sim card slot awm ve le thung ani a card slot a hi hybrid slot ani a memory card pakhat le sim pakhat a vuah thei ani hei hi du zok memory card le sim pakhat kha thlamai tur ani a color hi space black te neptune blue te nebula red le astro moonlight white a awm ani a battery hi 4000 mAh ani a battery pawh hi tlo thakho mai a hnungah hian single tone dual LED flash a awm bawk ani a primary camera hi 48 plus 5MP ani a hei hi camera a thakhop mai a settings hrang a awma night mode te tiang khanin manin du dan zong khanin a set thei bawk a tin a secondary camera pawh hi thakhop mai a 13MP ani a hei pawh hi fiat thakhop mai selfie nan pawh na lak tlak fu ni operating and system processor features a ka han lutanga operating system hi Android Pie ani a version hi 9 ani a processor type hi Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 ani a processor core hi octa core ani a user interface hi MIUI 10 ani a primary clock speed hi 2 GHz ani connectivity a han ludanga support network hi 2G 3G 4G LTE ani a internet connectivity hi 4G 3G Wi-Fi te ani bluetooth USB connectivity le audio jack le GPS a support bok ani tuntum video a hianin gaming kan ron tilang theilova amaro Redmi Note 7 Pro a hianin gaming hi halo ti ve thei kho mai a hei tuna kan hmuh lai mek ang hianin game chi hrang kha zo takin internal memory te sanga tina processor te asan to wangin gaming a pawh hianin ti ve thei fu ni ti kha karon tar lang ani
Just bounce to this.